Act up. When something doesn't work properly, usually a machine or device. The freeze is acting up again. My computer acted up yesterday during the project. Act up. When someone, especially a child, behaves badly or misbehaves. The students are acting up like babies. My daughter always acts up at the supermarket when I refuse to buy her candy. Back out. To decide not to do something you had agreed to do or to withdraw from a plan, promise, or deal. I backed out from the last trip. Everything is ready. I can't back out now. Black out. To lose memory of something temporarily. When electricity stops or there's a power failure. I totally blacked out my name after the accident. Our city blacked out during the heavy rain. Black out. To lose consciousness temporarily, to faint or pass out. He blacked out at the hospital last night. I felt sick and dizzy and then blacked out because of the heat. Boot out. To remove someone from a place, job, group, or situation, usually forcefully or suddenly. The boss booted out him from the office. We had to boot out the rowdy tenant from the house. Bottle up. To hide or keep your feelings, emotions, or thoughts inside instead of expressing them. Don't bottle up your anger. They really bottled up their sadness at the party. Bump off. To kill or murder someone, used mostly in movies, crime shows, or jokingly in casual talk. Someone tried to bump me off at the meeting. They hired a hitman to bump off the politician. Bust up. To break up or end a relationship, often in a dramatic way. I have decided to bust up with my girlfriend. I think they will bust up next week. Choke up. To feel so emotional that you almost can't speak. She always chokes up when she sees the pictures of her late father. He choked up on the phone with me. Fall for. To be tricked or deceived by something or someone, like a lie, joke, or scam. I just fell for the scam email. I can't believe I fell for his lies and gave him all my money. Fall for. To fall in love with someone. He fell for her the moment they met at the conference. She quickly fell for me. Flip out. To become very angry or lose your temper. My dad flipped out when he heard I got married. I'm not talking to the boss right now. He'll flip out. Give away. To donate or to give something for free. We will give away baby dolls to the children. They are giving away free clothes at the event. Grow apart. To slowly become less close to someone over time, usually friends, partners, or family members. We just grew apart after getting job. He and his wife used to be together, but they've completely grown apart. Pick on. To tease, bully, or criticize someone repeatedly, often in a mean way. He always picks on me at school. I feel like they are picking on me for no reason. Plug away. To keep working hard at something, even if it's difficult or slow. I keep plugging away at my work to get success. I am keeping to plug away at the project until it's completed. Tell off. To scold or reprimand someone, usually for doing something wrong. My mum told me off for not going to school. The teacher is telling off the students for talking in class. Tick off. To mark something as done on a list. I ticked off the all guest names on the sheet. We are ticking off everything that we bought. Tick off. To make someone angry or annoy someone. It really ticks me off when the internet isn't working. His criticism makes me ticked off. Tip off. To secretly give someone information or warning, usually about something that is going to happen. The media was tipped off about the raid. Someone must have tipped off about the drug deal.